It's 7 a.m. and I was struggling to get awake this morning at a Fairfield Marriott on Christmas Eve. And it always comes down to, do I want to go and try to find a coffee shack nearby and end up spending $5 to $8 for a drink? Or do I go for my all-time favorite of whenever we travel is a trash mocha? I make them for Kirk and I. It doesn't matter where we are. We've had them on cruise ships, even out in Antarctica. I make them. And it's very simple. All you gotta do is hope they got hot cocoa mix and half, put that together, and then combine it with hot coffee, and it gives you a creamier cup of coffee without, the acidity that black coffee gives you. So look at it that way when you're traveling. Save some money. You'll at least get awake, get down the road. Maybe then you'll want to pay the money for a good latte, but maybe you won't. I mean, sometimes when you're traveling in parts of the world, and even the United States, you're just not going to find a good latte anywhere. So I try not to be too picky and not too bougie, and I know that this is going to give me a good drink.